The power of fruit, which ones weaken muscles and which ones strengthen them after 60. As we cross the age of 60, maintaining muscle strength isn't just about staying independent, it's about preventing falls and keeping our bodies active. But over time, muscles naturally weaken, a condition known as sarcopenia. While many focus on protein and exercise, there's another factor often overlooked: fruit. Not all fruits support muscle health. Some can cause fatigue, inflammation, or nutritional imbalances, while others promote recovery and strength. Let's explore 4 fruits that might quietly weaken muscles, and 4 that can make your body stronger, especially for older adults. Part 1. Fruits that might quietly weaken muscles. As we age, muscles become critical for staying independent, avoiding falls, and living actively. However, not all fruits often seen as healthy are muscle-friendly. Some, if eaten in excess or improperly, can lead to fatigue, inflammation, or nutrient imbalances that weaken muscles. Here are 4 fruits older adults should approach cautiously, as they could subtly undermine muscle strength. 1. Grapes, sweet but potentially risky. Grapes are a beloved snack, packed with sweet flavor and antioxidants like resveratrol. But for older adults, they may not be as muscle-friendly as you'd think. A cup of grapes contains about 23 grams of natural sugar, mostly glucose and fructose. This sugar spike can cause blood sugar to soar and then crash, leading to fatigue, sluggishness, and over time, muscle loss, especially in those with slower metabolisms or low activity levels. What's more, consistently high blood sugar can trigger inflammatory cytokines, slowing muscle repair and recovery after daily activities or light exercise. For example, an older adult who snacks on grapes in the afternoon to stay refreshed might notice weaker legs after short walks. They may also feel a sharp energy dip before dinner, making meal prep feel daunting. After consulting a nutritionist, they realized their daily grape habit could be the culprit. Switching to a small banana with peanut butter, they found steadier energy, less muscle soreness, and sharper mental clarity. Grapes aren't the enemy, they still offer antioxidant benefits. But older adults should eat them in moderation, ideally paired with protein or healthy fats like cheese or nuts to blunt the sugar's impact. 2. Pineapple tropical delight with a catch. Pineapple is often praised for its rich vitamin C and bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion. But for older adults dealing with muscle fatigue, joint pain, or slow recovery, pineapple may not be ideal if eaten regularly. The issue lies in its high acidity and bromelain, which can irritate sensitive tissues, especially in the aging digestive system. This irritation can spark mild gut inflammation, hindering the absorption of nutrients needed for muscle repair. Plus, a cup of pineapple has about 16 grams of sugar, enough to spike blood sugar, leading to post-meal fatigue and reduced muscle endurance. Take someone who starts their day with a pineapple, banana, and orange juice smoothie. They might feel sluggish and notice muscle soreness after light activities like walking or gardening. After discussing with a nutritionist, they learned the acidity and sugar from pineapple were contributing. Switching to low-acid berries like blueberries with Greek yogurt, they felt a difference: steadier energy, faster muscle recovery, and no more heaviness. Pineapple isn't all bad, but older adults should eat it sparingly, paired with protein or fiber-rich foods to offset the sugar and acidity. Be extra cautious if taking medications like blood thinners, as pineapple may interact with them. 3. Watermelon. Refreshing but potentially disruptive. Watermelon is a summer icon with its sweet, juicy flesh and hydrating power over 90% water, but eating too much can backfire for muscles, especially in older adults prone to cramps or fatigue. Watermelon's natural diuretic effect can flush out water and essential electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, both critical for muscle contraction and recovery. A large slice contains about 17 grams of sugar, which can spike blood sugar, leading to muscle tremors, weakness, or fatigue. This is especially concerning for those with insulin sensitivity or diabetes. Consider someone who eats watermelon all day to stay hydrated in hot weather. They might notice nighttime calf cramps and unusual tiredness during light tasks like gardening. After consulting a professional, they realized watermelon was depleting electrolytes and causing blood sugar swings. Cutting back and adding a potassium-rich smoothie with spinach and chia seeds reduced cramps within a week. Watermelon is fine in small amounts, about 1 to 2 times a week, paired with electrolyte-rich foods like nuts or boiled eggs to replenish minerals. 4. Overripe bananas. Convenient, but choose wisely. Bananas are a go-to for older adults, easy to eat, potassium-rich, and gentle on the stomach. But overripe bananas with brown spotted peels and soft flesh can work against muscles. As bananas ripen, their starches turn into simple sugars, glucose, fructose, sucrose, spiking blood sugar and causing fatigue that hinders muscle recovery. While bananas are high in potassium, they lack magnesium, a mineral needed for potassium to work effectively in muscle contraction and electrolyte balance. Magnesium deficiency is common in older adults, so relying too heavily on bananas can create imbalances. Someone eating 1 to 2 overripe bananas daily to ease muscle tension might feel sluggish by afternoon and get cramps while working outdoors. After a nutritionist's review, they learned overripe bananas were disrupting blood sugar and lacked magnesium. Switching to berries, apples, and magnesium-rich foods, they felt steadier energy and more comfortable muscles. Bananas are still great, if just ripe yellow, not too soft, and paired with healthy fats or protein, like peanut butter or yogurt, to balance blood sugar. These fruits aren't bad, but for older adults, eating them excessively or incorrectly can quietly weaken muscles. Understanding their effects helps you make smarter choices to protect strength and energy. Part 2. Fruits that strengthen muscles. Now that we've covered fruits that might weaken muscles, let's dive into 4 fantastic fruits that help older adults build strength, recover faster, and stay active. These fruits aren't just tasty, they're packed with antioxidants, minerals, and healthy fats that support muscles from the inside out. Perfect for those looking to ease soreness, boost endurance, or simply feel stronger. Daily, here's why these fruits are muscle superstars. 1. Tart cherries, a superfruit for recovery and pain relief. Tart cherries aren't just a fun snack, they're one of the most powerful fruits for supporting muscles in older adults. Unlike fruits that mainly offer water or sweetness, tart cherries are loaded with anthocyanins, potent antioxidants behind their deep red hue. Studies show anthocyanins reduce muscle damage, joint pain, and speed recovery after physical activity. For older adults with stiff muscles after walking, housework, or light exercise, tart cherries offer natural relief, making the body less achy and more flexible. They also lower inflammation by reducing markers like C-reactive protein, CRP, and oxidative stress, which often slow muscle healing and cause fatigue in older adults. Someone who started drinking a glass of unsweetened tart cherry juice in the evening noticed less muscle stiffness the next morning and could walk longer without tiring. After a few weeks, they felt clear improvements in endurance and comfort during movement. Enjoy tart cherries fresh in season, dried without added sugar, or as 6 to 8 ounces of juice daily. Skip sugary versions to maximize anti-inflammatory benefits. Tart cherries are a fantastic choice for anyone wanting to protect muscles and ease soreness naturally. 2. Papaya muscle recovery and mineral boost. Papaya is known for its mild sweetness and digestive benefits, but it's also a muscle champion for older adults. With its soft texture and nutrient density, papaya delivers potassium and magnesium, key electrolytes for muscle contraction, cramp prevention, and endurance. Many older adults have mild deficiencies in these minerals due to medications, dehydration, or less varied diets leading to muscle fatigue. Papaya naturally replenishes these, helping the body move smoothly. It also provides vitamin C for collagen production, aiding tissue repair and muscle elasticity, plus vitamin A to reduce inflammation and protect joints from stiffness or pain during activity. Someone who added half a cup of papaya with chia seeds to their afternoon snack noticed fewer nighttime cramps and faster recovery after long walks. Papaya's papain enzyme breaks down proteins, improving digestion and amino acid absorption crucial for muscle repair. For those who feel bloated after meals, this is a big plus. Choose ripe orange-red papaya, eat it fresh, blend into smoothies, or mix with oatmeal. Papaya is not only delicious, but also an easy way to keep muscles strong and the body hydrated. 3. Blueberries, small but mighty for endurance. Blueberries are among the best fruits for supporting muscles and mobility in older adults, thanks to their high anthocyanin content, the compound behind their vibrant blue-purple color. Anthocyanins reduce inflammation, protect muscle fibers from oxidative damage, and speed recovery after activity. For older adults who take longer to recover or face mild chronic inflammation, blueberries are a secret weapon for a stronger body. They also improve blood flow by strengthening blood vessel walls and reducing arterial stiffness, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach muscles efficiently. This means less muscle weakness, cramping, or fatigue during walking, standing, or chores. Someone who added blueberries to their breakfast oatmeal or yogurt noticed better endurance while gardening or walking uphill, with muscles recovering faster after a busy day. Blueberries are low in sugar, avoiding blood sugar spikes, and provide vitamins C and K for tissue repair and bone health, a perfect combo for muscles and joints. Eat about half to 1 cup daily, fresh or frozen, in smoothies, cereals, or solo. Opt for organic if possible to avoid pesticide residues. Blueberries are easy to love and make a noticeable difference in energy and mobility. 4. Avocado, a superfruit for sustained energy. Often mistaken for a vegetable, avocado is a fruit and a superstar for supporting muscles in older adults. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados strengthen cell membranes and boost nutrient absorption, ensuring muscles get amino acids, potassium, and magnesium efficiently. Unlike high-sugar fruits, avocados provide steady, long-lasting energy, essential for sustaining muscle endurance throughout the day. They're also packed with potassium, more than bananas, regulating muscle contractions and preventing cramps, while magnesium balances electrolytes and eases post-activity soreness. Someone who added half an avocado to lunch, spread on whole-grain toast, or blended into a smoothie noticed less leg heaviness during walks and steadier energy, especially on warm days. Avocados also offer vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects muscle cells from damage, and B vitamins for energy metabolism, helping older adults stay active without crashing. Enjoy avocado on toast with a pinch of salt in salads, smoothies, or as a veggie dip. Soft and easy to digest avocados are ideal for nourishing muscles, leaving older adults feeling strong and balanced daily. These fruits, tart cherries, papaya, blueberries, and avocados are incredible allies for older adults looking to protect and strengthen muscles. By adding them to your diet, you can turn every snack or meal into a step toward a healthier, more active life. Conclusion and takeaways. After exploring fruits that might weaken muscles and those that strengthen them, it's clear that maintaining muscle strength in older age isn't just about exercise or protein. It's also about small daily food choices, especially fruit. Each fruit you pick can either support your body's ability to stay active, reduce soreness, and live independently, or quietly hinder your efforts. Let's recap what we've learned and how to make smart fruit choices to keep your muscles strong and your spirit vibrant. Key lessons: which fruits help, which harm. Not all fruits support muscles equally, especially for older adults. Fruits like grapes, pineapple, watermelon, and overripe bananas, while tasty and often considered healthy, can cause unintended issues. The high sugar in grapes and pineapple can spike blood sugar, leading to fatigue, and slower muscle recovery. Watermelon, though refreshing, may deplete electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, causing cramps and muscle weakness if overeaten. Overripe bananas, despite their potassium, lack magnesium and can disrupt spark blood sugar swings, leaving muscles unsupported. These fruits don't need to be banned, but older adults should eat them sparingly, paired with protein-healthy fats or fiber to minimize negative effects. In contrast, the 4-star fruits, tart cherries, papaya, blueberries, and avocados are muscle heroes. Tart cherries with powerful anthocyanins reduce inflammation, soreness, and speed recovery. Papaya delivers potassium, magnesium, and papain, supporting muscle function, tissue repair, and protein digestion. Blueberries, small but mighty, improve blood flow and protect muscles, boosting endurance and mobility. Avocados with healthy fats and minerals provide steady energy, prevent cramps, and nourish muscles deeply. These fruits are nutritious, easy to incorporate into meals, from smoothies to salads to snacks, and turn every bite into a chance to feel stronger. Act now, turn fruit into strength. Choosing the right fruits can make a big difference, especially if you're noticing cramps, fatigue after activity, or slow recovery. Start by checking your kitchen's fruit basket. Got too many grapes, pineapples, or overripe bananas? Try scaling back and swapping in tart cherries, papaya, blueberries, or avocados. Instead of afternoon grapes, sip tart cherry juice or enjoy blueberries with yogurt. Swap a pineapple smoothie for papaya with chia seeds to boost minerals. These small changes support muscles, stabilize energy, improve sleep, and leave you feeling lighter. One older adult who felt heavy and cramped after daily activities keyed these switches. They cut back on watermelon-added avocados to lunch and blueberries to breakfast. Within weeks, muscle soreness faded, endurance improved, and even their mood lifted. The best part: these muscle-friendly fruits are widely available, easy to prepare, and suit various tastes. Grab frozen blueberries if fresh ones are scarce, or pick soft avocados for quick meals. Listen to your body and choose what makes you feel strongest. Your call to action: choose fruit wisely. Smart nutrition is one of the most powerful tools for older adults to maintain strength, independence, and joy. Every fruit you eat is a chance to move closer to a vibrant, active life. Ask yourself, are the fruits in your kitchen lifting you up or holding you back? If a favorite fruit is on the use caution list, don't worry. Just adjust how you eat it and add better options. Were you surprised by any fruits on these lists? Ready to try? Tart cherries or avocados in your meals. Share your thoughts and keep exploring simple ways to nourish your body. The journey to strong muscles doesn't have to be complicated. With the right fruit choices, every meal becomes a step toward living more fully. Keep learning, experimenting, and savoring the strength and flexibility your body can offer. One well-chosen fruit at the right time could be the key to a brighter, more vibrant older age.